How to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix if your Rockstar Games Launcher is not opening on Windows. So without any further delay, let us just go right into the video. So first thing first here, you need to go ahead and open up Windows security settings. Go ahead and search for security on your search bar. Go to Windows security. Then you have to go to this option right here that says virus and threat protection. Now go ahead and click on it, then scroll down until you find an option to manage virus and threat protection settings. Go to manage settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll find exclusions over here. Click on add or remove exclusions, click on yes to allow, and then from there you want to go ahead and tap on add an exclusion, go to folder. Now you need to locate your Rockstar Games folder. It's usually on your C drive, so I'll just go over to C drive, then go to Program File 86, scroll down and find Rockstar Games Launcher here. If you don't see it, just locate it wherever the game launcher is and select it, click on select folder, and you should be good to go. Now try launching it. The next step is to go over and locate the same folder. I'll just go over here and go to C drive, program file 86, and I have the Rockstar Games Launcher. Now you need to go ahead and rename this. I've already done that, but if you haven't already, all you have to do is type in an underscore right in front of the folder. Sometimes just renaming it like this will allow you to open up Rockstar Games Launcher. Right, so once you have done that, there's one other thing that you can do as well. Sometimes it needs administrator permission, so just click on continue. You should be good to go. The next step is to search for Rockstar Games Launcher here on your start menu. Click on open file location. Then it's going to take you to this. Again, right click on it. Now this time you need to go ahead and open up its properties. From properties, go over to compatibility and make sure you run this program as administrator. Make sure this is checked out. Click on apply, then just press OK, and you're good to go. Once you have done that, your Rockstar Games Launcher should open up without any problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.